Hello, YouTube. In between playing stack nuts and playing with stuff like this, I took apart my old old drill and I left a light on there. So when you touch it, I don't think you gotta hit the button so they can see. Wait, let's turn the light off. Did you just fart? Ew! She farted.
Sorry.
But anyway, look. See, look. It's the world's first 18-volt cordless. Yeah, smelly freaking video. Ugh. Rotten ass. Oh my God, you got a rotten ass. Fine, let's go home now.
No.
Yeah, let's get out of here. This gross. This girl stinks.
No, he stinks.
Yeah, no. She's the one that farted. Liar.
No, she farted.
Bull crap, you farted, you dork. Okay, we'll turn this off now.
No.
Thanks for watching.
No.
Yeah.
We're playing stack nuts.
No, we're not.
You wanna watch us? Yeah.
No.